Um,
What do you want?
what do you want?
What the fuck do you want?
Oh my God, what? Why are you on my bed?
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Who the heck are you talking to like that?
You bitch.
Your mother's a bitch.
Thank you.
Oh wow, okay.
Cause I know she's a hoe too.
Oh my God.
And besides, I know you want me, but baby, I only fuck monster bitches.
Well, I'm not a monster bitch, and
Yeah, so
no
you
thank you.
bitch.
I don't think I like purple furry penis. No thanks.
My penis is as big as my body.
Yeah, which is really tiny.
Up. No, I know what the fuck you want.
Go ahead and try me, motherfucker.
You should call my friend a motherfucker. He literally fucked his mother.
Ew. You know what? You're very disgusting.
No, I'm not. You are.
Oh, I'm disgusting.
Little ass titties.
Oh, at least I have titties.
I'm a guy, you know.
I can't tell. You're purple and furry.
Why am I on that team with other people?
The fuck?
Goodbye, ugly
Every time
monster.
I fuck a person,
Oh my God, I'm trying
they
to end
freaking,
this.
split in half, you know. Yeah, that's
Well, yeah, you're a monster, so yeah, every time you have sex with a person, you're going to split them in half. Why don't you stick with your monster bitches like you said?